Stimulus, I thought something had to be done, but I think the way the stimulus was done now, I think it was done under too much pressure and it was done too quick. I don't think this particular stimulus, the way it was done, it was right for our country.
Eliminate all the corporate spending that I extremely dislike. I would increase the tax revisions and tax cuts, and I would just basically eliminate corporate spending and the government spending that's quite unnecessary.
One thing is certain: the recession is very severe and requires serious action. The American Recovery and Reinvestment Act is a suitable solution to the growing concerns of our economy and is going to allow our nation to prepare for long-term economic growth.